Hi, Julian here from SUB.net. In this video, I'm going to quickly introduce you to our new WordPress plugin. Before we get started, let me show you where you can download and how you can install our plugin. To download our plugin, simply go to your profile page in SUB.net and click on the API/plugins tab. You may also download the plugin from WP Manager, which is located in the Tools menu under Other Tools here. Once you have downloaded the zip file, you must upload it to your WordPress site or blog. To do so, simply go to the plugin section in WordPress and click on Add New. Then on Upload Plugin, choose the zip file you have just downloaded. Then click on Install Now. Wait a few seconds. And click on Activate Plugin. Once your plugin is active, click on SUB.net in the left menu, here, and enter your SUB.net API key. You will find your API key on your profile page in SUB.net under the API/plugins tab here. Copy it, go back to WordPress, and click on Save. You can set the plugin to automatically update your WordPress version, themes, and plugins for better security. The only downside is that there is a chance your theme or an active plugin is incompatible with your WordPress version and causes issue. It's not so common, but it's something to keep in mind. If you run a blog network or simply have a lot of blogs, this little feature will save you a huge amount of time and make your blogs more secure, as outdated themes or plugins can present security risks. Before we take a look at these sections on the left, let me show you how you can quickly add a post or page as an inner page to Site Manager directly from WordPress. As you already know, in Site Manager, you can add inner pages to track their metrics, number of backlinks, and more alongside the home page of the site. With our plugin, you can add a post or page as an inner page in just a few clicks. All you need to do is to go to the Post section or Pages section and click on Add Post to Cert or Add Page to Cert. Fill out the short form and click on Add Inner Page. As you can see here, you can also take this opportunity to add keywords to Rank Tracker and start tracking keyword positions. Once this is done, your post or page will be added to Site Manager. The only requirement is that your site or blog is already in Site Manager. If not, you will first have to add it by following our Add Site process in SUB.net. You can also use the plugin to add your Web Analytics tracking code without having to add it to every page you want to track. So you simply need to paste your Web Analytics code here and click on Save Changes. This method works whether you use SERP Analytics, Google Analytics, or even another tracking solution that is not provided by SUB.net. You can also use the plugin to create an opt-in form to offer a free website audit to your visitors using Site Auditor Pro. The idea here is to offer free audits in exchange for their contact details, so you can then get in touch with them and offer them your services. First, you will need to create a project in Site Auditor Pro in the SUB.net members area. Once this is done, you may create a form using our WordPress plugin. You simply need to click on Add New Form, enter a name for your form, choose a Site Auditor Pro project. As you can see here, you will be able to create 3 different types of forms. Normal widget in content form to generate a form that can be used in a sidebar, widget, or any other place within your content. Top bar or hello bar to generate a top bar form that is shown at the top of your site and will scroll along with the screen. Or slide in form to generate a form that slides in when users reach X% of your page. Let's choose this option. You can choose a background color, of course, as well as a form image and a form design. Here you can edit the text of the form, and once you have made all the changes you want, click on Save. And here is how the form we created looks like. As you saw, you can customize all of this. You can change the text, image, and so on. We also have a widget that you can use to embed the form in your sidebar. So if you use WordPress and want to generate new leads using Site Auditor Pro, make sure you try our builder. You can also use a plugin for internal linking. In the link projects section, you can indeed create a project to automatically generate links when specific words are used. This is very useful if you do affiliate marketing or if you know your internal linking is a little weak. For example, you could create a project to automatically create some links to your homepage. There are plenty of options and settings you can choose from. Auto hyperlink posts, pages, or both. Content to auto hyperlink existing content or new content, or both. Replace keywords in comments, yes or no. Open links in new tab, yes or no. Hyperlink titles and headings of posts and pages, yes or no. Maximum hyperlink replacements per post or page. You can choose a number from 1 to 5. Maximum hyperlink replacements per keyword on this site, site-wide, 1 to 20. Weight of no-follow links on this site, site-wide. You can choose from 0% to 100%. You can ignore specific pages or posts. You can add your keywords here, the keyword that will be automatically hyperlinked. And you can add your links here. Once you've filled out this form, click on Create Link Project. The plugin will then automatically generate links based on your settings. And you can then view useful statistics in the Keyword Statistics section, which is located here. Last but not least, and this is something new, you can create a widget that shows your page's metrics, like here. To create this widget, simply go to the Widgets section in WordPress. This widget is called SERP Metrics, but you can give it the title you want, of course, and select which metrics you want to display by ticking these boxes. An important note here, this widget will only show on pages, homepage and inner pages that have been added to Site Manager in your SERP.net account. The plugin indeed pulls the metrics from your SERP.net account, which means you must have previously added the page to Site Manager. If the page is not in Site Manager, the widget won't appear at all. The widget will show a link to SERP.net here, right under the metrics, but you can replace this link with your affiliate link by adding your ClickBank ID in the plugin settings right here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need any help, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team at getsupport@serp.net or by clicking on the Submit a Ticket link here. Thanks for watching.